Luft auf den Europa. Good evening, Europe. My name is Brunhilde, and I am your beautiful host this evening for our Eurovision preview final. Welcome to our beautiful city of Oslo, the oldest of the Nordic capitals and capital of Norway. Norway is a magical land, the land of the midnight sun, of fjords, snow, skiing, snow, trolls, Vikings, and more snow. We love to beat our big brother Sweden in everything we do. And that is why we are here in Eurovision this year. Yeah, it's that time of year again, that time of year when our musical taste buds take a holiday and we subject ourselves to music from all over Europe. And those that think they are in Europe. Yeah, it's Drew and Bob's Eurovision Preview Final 2010. After all the envelopes were opened from the semi-finals, we now have 25 melodic songs to whet our appetite and to vote for your favourite. Like last year, we have our fabulous international jury spokespersons phoning in their votes and casting caustic comments. We hope you enjoy our little show, our meagre celebration of all things Eurovision. So, now on to the show and the first of our 25 finalists. Have fun, and remember, it's not over till the fat lady sings. Is Kiana in it this year? Do we have enough Big Macs? Okay, you have now all listened to all the 25 songs. Who will the preview party Eurovision crown go till this year? One of our dear Nordic brothers perhaps? One of the big four for a change? Or will you decide for a sunny Mediterranean island? Or Eastern Europe under nose flute? Or will it return to one of those Eurovision's newer countries again? Who will know? It is now for you to decide, time for you to vote and hear the decisions of our esteemed juries. To help you on your way, we have our interval act for you to enjoy. Oh, it's the end. Is she coming? I hear a fat lady coming. Bye-bye.